everyone, welcome to the Macau most famous attraction site. This is the opening hours. The facade, which is the outdoor area, is a 24-hour free entries, and you have the ruins and the museums and other sites. The stunning facade is all that remains of a 17th century St. Paul Church and College, which is tragically destroyed by fire in 1835. But what's left is the facade, stone step, and the foundation, which still tells a powerful story of faith, art, and history. Let's look up the very top, the fifth level. You will see a triangular pediment topped with a cross. In the center, there is a bronze stove, the symbol of Holy Spirit descending from heaven. And surrounded by there are sun, moon, and stars, which is a universe created by Jesus Christ. Moving down to the fourth level, you will find the bronze statue of Little Jesus Christ, which is also a reminder of church focus on the Holy Family and salvation. Now look closely at the carving around the side. You will see wheat and a loosened rope, and this is also a symbol of restoration of liberation from Jesus Christ. Also, notice the two guardian angels carved on the facade. One is holding a cross and the other the pillar. Reminder of Jesus Christ's suffering, and there is some unique. On the both sides, there are two Chinese temple-style stone lions. They act like European gargoyles, which is used for drinking the rainwater. But in the Buddhist culture, they used to protect the Dharma. The third level, which is mostly talk about the Virgin Mary. The Virgin Mary and scattered symbols on the third level. We will see the Virgin Mary surrounded by roses and lilies, which is a symbol of her purity, and also surrounded by six angels. Look further, there is a sacred tree, the tree of life, from the Garden of Eden, and the sacred spring or the fountain of life, representing divine grace. Also, notice the carving of Saint Tap Long Tao, which is a Virgin Mary stepping on a dragon with seven heads. The dragon represents Satan and the seven deadly sins, showing Mary crushing the evil, and don't miss the opportunity. Western style and also lastly the Western style sailing ship, which is a symbol of Mary protecting the safe sea trade. And the second level, which is mostly talk about Jesus saints. And there are four important founders of Jesus saints. And this here is the four important founders, which they are flanked by palm trees. These statues honor the Jesus achievement over centuries. Lastly, let's talk about the first level and the Jesus symbol. At the first level, the entrance. Look above the central door. You will see the Mater Dei, which is the meaning of Mother of God, showing this church is dedicated to the Virgin Mary. Above the side door, you will spot the symbol IHS, which is a Jesus symbol for the religious group that built this church. And this is a website, this is the QR code of the real website that will guide the fully ruins of St. Paul. And this is also the most important activities that will held in ruins of St. Paul. The first one is the Macau International Parade, and the second one is Light Up Macau, which is also famous here. And the last one is concert. Notice that the concert will held in different festivals, for example, like Lunar New Year or Mid-Autumn Festival. Lastly, there is also some nearby famous attraction near the ruins of St. Paul, which are Macau Museums and Mount Fortress. Both offer beautiful views and history of Macau. Lastly, the Naja Temple. It is a traditional Chinese temple right next to the ruins of St. Paul. Also, there will be Fest of Naja each year, which is used to show Macau's multicultural spirit. And this is our image source. So there you have it. The ruins of St. Paul is a beautiful blend of Christian symbols, which is influenced by Asia and Chinese culture. Take your time, explore, and enjoy the view. Don't forget to check out the VR code on your map for the VR experience. Thank you very much.